Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to talk about how we can create colorful flowcharts using AI. For today's video, we are going to use AI tool called Overleaf. It's not an AI tool, but it will use AI to create flowcharts. So we are going to use a language or editor which is called latex or latex editor coming from Overleaf, a company. Now we need to search it on Google and we can open their website. Now sign up or log in through your Google account, or you can use your desired platform. Okay, I have logged in through my Google account. It's here. Now what you need to do is just to create a new project. Click on blank project, name here. Now here it is. It will use latex language or latex code editor to create flowcharts using AI. It will use coding, not normally drag and drop option, but it will use coding to draw flowcharts. Now let's go to chat GPT or any large language model and give a prompt here. Now ChatGPT code is completed. Let's copy it and go back to Overleaf website. Now replace it with your previous code and click on recompile. You can see it has created a full-fledged, a good, a flow chart. Now here we have many mistakes over here. We can fix them using by going back to ChatGPT. What you can do to fix this is click on this red icon and suggest fix. It will use AI to suggest you the fix. Click on accept and continue. Click on apply suggestions. Now it's fixed. There is not much changes in the flowchart, but it has fixed the problem. Here we have a warning. It's okay. You can share this file directly with your friends, or you can also download it in a PDF format. Here is our flowchart. You can see the quality of it. You can easily make detailed and complex flowcharts using this tool and this method. You can use any other LLM instead of ChatGPT too. It's all about your choice. Now I made some small changes and asked you to give me latex codes to create UML diagram for the same query, and it have given me the results. Now let's copy it and go back to Overleaf website, replace it with the previous code and recompile. Here it is a UML diagram. It has used plant UML and ticks method or code to generate this. Now let's see if we already have data to create our flowchart or UML diagram, but we do not have latex code for it. Now let's copy our data, go back to LLM, paste the first of all write the prompt. Now I have pasted the complete data here, and let's hit enter. It's generating latex code again. Now let's copy it and go back to Overleaf editor. Click on recompile. First page is empty and we have our flowchart on second page. This is how you can create flowcharts or UML diagram if you already have your data and you want to convert it into latex, and then you can use that latex language to build your flowcharts using Overleaf.